Hi YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own custom brush in Moho. If you've ever wanted to add a unique style to your lines or create textures that match your animation, this tutorial is for you. We'll go step by step, starting with the Style panel, unlocking advanced options, and then building a brush that you can save and reuse in all your projects. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Advanced Options. In the Style panel, tick the Advanced box. This unlocks the extra brush controls. Step 2. Create a new brush. Inside the Style panel, go to the Brush drop-down menu. Select New to start creating your custom brush. Step 3. Name your brush. A dialog box will appear asking for a name. I will name it a pink hair. Uncheck the Fill box. This removes the interior color of your shape, leaving it transparent. Leave the stroke ticked. Select color for the stroke. Open the color picker or palette. Choose the hue you want for your outline. You can also adjust thickness, style, solid, dashed, or opacity depending on the software. You can also use a reference image to pick the color. Using a reference image is a smart way to keep your design consistent. Now let's select the closest brush to our image. You can adjust the brush jitter and angles here if you like. Click the freehand tool and Alt-click and drag to increase the size of the brush. Go on and create a new vector layer and rename it to your liking. Go to the Style panel and select None, and go to this Style panel and select the brush you created. Then you can start painting your image. Next, repeat the same process to create a new brush for the back hair, but this time choose a different color. Once the reference image is hidden, you'll be able to see your new painting more clearly. If you're satisfied with the result, add a new vector layer and begin working on the face, but this time avoid using any of the brushes you've already selected. You've now learned how to make your own brush. In the next video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create and save brushes for future use. Before we wrap up, I'd like to ask a small favor. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and share it with others. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. I'll let the tutorial play out quietly from here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.